Hello, viewers. Sriram Kumar here. I have Srikanth in front of me from Pune, who cleared PMP by October. Sriram, this is November. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, he's now relieved, relaxed, and with the indication of peace, he's wearing a good white shirt. And I asked him why you wear white shirt. He said, "Hey, that's an indication of a peace around me." Okay, good. He's so happy after getting PMP. First thing, congratulations, Srikanth. Great achievement.
Thank you, Sriram.
Wonderful, wonderful. So what we'll do is first we'll see your certificate and then it'll come back. Here it goes. That's a certificate achieved on October 7th. He achieved it. It's almost 35 days, I believe. Wonderful
Yeah.
achievement. At the same time, Shrikant, you are a project manager. We'll understand a little bit about your background.
Okay. So I'm working with Allscripts since last 10 years now. I joined in as I would say, the service desk analyst, but
Mm-hmm.
gradually got promoted to the position of project manager. Since last 3 years, I'm working as a project manager over there in Allscripts. And yes, the main reason to, I would say, want to attend this exam or to clear this exam, the main goal of mine was to get this exam clear to achieve something in my life and in my career.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, yeah, sure. I'm
That
good.
gives a sense of accomplishment or saying that okay, I'm moving forward. I'm moving for my career.
Yeah. So as everyone rightly says, or you rightly said, PMP is the first step, okay, to enhance your career. Or
Exactly,
yeah. So
exactly.
that's the first
It,
step I wanted to achieve.
true, true, true. We should not think that's a destination. It could be the step which says that I can do more, right? That's a
Yeah.
point. So I know that you are from an IT background, that is IT domain. So this PMP, when you say PMP, many will tell, hey, it's old man, it's outdated. Kind of for some people without knowledge, they say that hey, it's not relevant. Now, is there any sort of people around you had a PMP knowledge, or is there any objection that why you're going for PMP?
I would say there was no objection as such, but everyone was motivating us because
Mm-hmm.
being a project manager and PMP, as we said, it's the base. So we need
Mm-hmm.
to ensure that we have that knowledge so that
Great.
if you want to make your career in project management, that's the base or that's the first step that you need to achieve.
Perfect.
Then the doors open for you.
That's nice. That's nice. Your people are so good in that case, so they're knowledgeable. Happy to know that. And
Yeah,
also now people are getting to know PMP has agile, which is
correct.
making it more relevant now in any industry.
Yes.
Right? That's good. So you work in agile background.
Yeah. I will
Uh,
not say 100% agile, but
You
yes.
know that.
Yeah,
You know that. Even though we don't do all, but at least the terminologies are pretty known for you.
correct.
Perfect. Super good. So thoughts happened and you want to go for exam. So the preparation started. Do you know that this much of content you have to read for this exam?
So, to be open and frank, Sriram, I had applied for the exam last year in 2020.
Uh-huh,
Okay.
uh-huh, uh-huh.
In November 2020, when it was informed that syllabus is going to change. So, yes, we wanted to get clear before the syllabus get changed. But
Uh-huh.
later on, people around me, yes, okay, this is very tough. You need to go through a hell lot of books. There are big big books that you need to
Hmm.
read.
Hmm.
A bit of, I would say, I was a bit confused. Okay, like
Uh-huh.
should I approach right now or should I approach when the syllabus get changed?
Hmm. Hmm.
So I would say like the time was wasted during that time. Okay, I
Hmm.
thought, okay, let's the syllabus get changed. Okay, because
Hmm.
everyone is saying it's a bit tough. There are a lot of
Hmm.
mathematical questions. You need to do this. You need to learn a lot. I said, okay, just calm myself.
Okay.
I had already applied for the exam, but I said, okay, chill out, relax.
Okay.
Let's get the syllabus changed. Then hopefully, uh, something new will come, and we will start with the fresh mind. So
Hmm.
I waited
Hmm.
for the syllabus to get changed, and when the syllabus got changed, again the things were like, oh, syllabus got changed, and now it's pretty good, more difficult than earlier it was. So I was that again. Oh, I should have given it earlier. Now now it's really difficult. Now I need to study a lot. There are a hell lot of things going in my mind. Okay, so
Okay.
yes, I started approaching my colleagues. Okay,
Mm,
slowly and gradually, few of my colleagues gave this exam. I
mm,
approached them. I got to know that okay, things are pretty much I would not say easy, but on agile base.
mm,
Mostly on agile questions have been asked. So yes, I started going through the books, but still I was not that confident. I would go ahead and appear for the exam. Then I got to know about Shri Learning. Okay, from
mm.
again I would say few of my colleagues attend your trainings and they have cleared. So they gave me the confidence that go ahead attend this training, and they ensured me that yes, 100% you will clear the exam. Okay, I got a bit of a confidence. I said yes, they are
Okay.
confident, that means yes, I can go ahead. So I approached Rahul. I spoke with him. Then
Mhm.
he said yes, don't worry about that. So I did the formalities and I went ahead and started
Good.
the classes in month of July.
Mhm.
My target was to give the exam on 31st of August 2021,
Mm,
but unfortunately, again due to office work,
mm,
I'm
mm.
sorry for that, because you provided me the syllabus like day one, day two, what you need to do, but unfortunately, I was not able to do that. Then in month of September, I said, okay, now these things are not good. I attended the training, I have the confidence, but it's just I'm not able to give the time. And
Mm,
as you
mm.
rightly said, you have spent your hard-earned money. That's the big statement that I got it. And yes, I started doing the studies again. And on 7th October, finally, I cleared it.
Very good. Very good. It happens, Shrikant, not only you. People think something, and your personal, professional life can pull around. And sometimes the PMP goes backseat. They'll say, okay, let's do later. Not urgent. Okay, we
Yeah.
have other things to cover. That's good. And I like to thank your friends. You have good friends around, right? Who keep motivating, rather telling that why you do this, do it later. Rather you have people, oh, go ahead, do it, man. Because friends are made for there to be to support us in the right time. Right?
Yeah.
That's very important. Super good. So you read well. I believe you read the books like Rita or Pimbok or Agile Practice Guide, right? Could
Yeah.
be.
So yeah, your guidance actually helped there me a lot, because when it comes to books, I was again what all books we need to read. But
Mm,
after attending the sessions, you explained that don't get so confused. It's pretty simple. Things are pretty much easy. Just go ahead and read these three books. One is
mm.
Rita, one is our the Agile Practice
Agile
Guide.
Practice Guide. Yeah.
Yeah,
Mm.
and
Good.
Pimbok, I would say not that, but yes, as you suggested, I just went through Rita and Agile Practice Guide.
Right.
That's
Right.
what helped us a lot.
Perfect. That's great. Great. And moving towards examination, how was it when you practice exams? Did you get a
So
confidence that my scores are coming up well? I'm ready.
yeah, so once I completed all of the lessons, I tried to attempt the first the complete mock. Okay, and my scores were 70
Uh-huh.
with Sri Learning. So I thought, okay, I'm going good. And after I reviewed the questions, I tried to go through the questions which I was not able to mark correct. So after 2 days, I attended the second one, and
Mm,
that was from again Sri Learning, and my score went a bit down.
mm,
I went, oh, what has happened? Something has gone wrong. So I just went through again reviewing the questions, and I found that okay, I'm spending much more time, and the more time I spend on a question, I'm getting a bit more confused.
mm,
So
mm,
I said, okay, no, that's what I need to avoid over here. So
mm,
I said,
mm,
okay, now let's go for the another one. After two, three
mm,
days, I went for another one, and
mm,
again the score went up. Okay,
mm,
so
mm,
I was able to find out okay what went wrong when I gave the second one. Slowly and
mm,
gradually, from 70, I maintained my score, average score around 65 to 70.
mm.
So
Right.
yeah, that boosted me. Yes, I can clear the exam, because every time I heard you saying that 60 to 70 is a good score, and that will
Mm.
make you ensure that you will clear the PMP exam.
Right. Right. I remember first score you got as a 71% in
Yeah,
Sri Lanka. Okay. And the
yeah,
next exam, Duke Study Hall went to 54.
correct.
And I know you are energy level dropped drastically and you felt, man, something wrong here. Totally 20% down.
Yeah, that's where I suddenly reached out to you immediately, Sriram. This thing is happening, and I remember you said, don't worry about that. Just review your questions, see what is that, see what you're doing wrong, improve on that.
Yeah, and because the study hall is language slightly different. When I say slightly different, some questions are a little crazy also. Some of the questions even were wrong by the time when you were taking exams. Now they're trying
Mhm.
to correct it out. Some of the questions also wrong. So you may be 60%, but it would have shown you 54%. So, but point here is you understood the language in study hall. That's important for main exam.
Yeah,
Right. That's a point.
that's correct.
Super good. Good efforts on reading, good efforts of exam practicing. Now your exam happens. Is it center based or proctor?
It was center based. I ensured that I go for a center base because
Mhm.
again, the internet connectivity, the power supply,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
the people around us. I cannot stop my child coming to my room. Okay. He's just
That's
8 years
true.
old, and he's just eight
That's
years old, and he might
that's
enter
true.
the room anytime. So I thought it's better go to the center base and
Okay.
relax, tension free, give the exam.
That's true. That's true. Infrastructure is good at their place as well. So you don't
Yeah.
need to worry anything. Okay, good. Good. How is on exam? As an exam of 4 hours, was it in your control or you are in exam control?
So I would say I was in exams control. I would not say it's in my control because my entire concentration was going through each and every word that is being mentioned in that question, so that I
Mm.
do not misjudge the question and write the wrong answers over there. And yes, there were no mathematical questions. Just to highlight that.
Right,
Okay.
right,
Yeah,
right.
no mathematical questions. But yes, questions were tricky, agile based, and bit confusing answers were there. So it completely I would say my job experience helped me a bit over there to answer
Mm,
the questions, because
mm.
I moved from people management and into project management, so
Got
that
you.
helped me over there. Yeah.
Got you, got you. So I'm also hearing two things. One is in PMP, Agile is moderate, whereas there is another certificate called PMI ACP. Agile is pretty peak. So now you being an Agile person already, you know a little bit terminology here and there. When you went to PMP exams, did you found Agile is being a little complicated? Why I'm asking this question, I'll tell you.
Mhm.
There are people from non-Agile domain also coming for this exams.
Mhm.
So what is your thought about Agile? How they are targeting?
I would not say agile is that confusing. It's pretty much straightforward. Okay,
Hmm.
it's pretty much practical. Whatever you do, that's what agile says. So
Okay,
I would
so
not say
practical
that's a
knowledge,
bit confusing. Yeah.
right? Practical knowledge helped you. Okay,
Yeah.
right. If somebody don't have a practical knowledge, reading agile practice guide will be sufficient for them.
Yeah, that's what I said, because the language is not confusing. It's pretty much straightforward. It's
Okay.
it just says what is expected to do when this
Hmm,
situation occurs.
hmm,
So
hmm.
it's
Okay.
pretty much simple. The language is pretty much simple over there.
That's a good relief for people hearing this video. I feel, oh, thank God, man, you saved me. Because I get people from infrastructure, manufacturing, construction.
Yeah.
They are like agile, but little worried about that questions, right? That's why they're little worried. Okay, that's pretty interesting. So, how is it about the areas like risk management, procurement? Are they putting questions there?
Risk management, yes, and procurement management. I got just one question on procurement management, but
Hmm,
I would say the percentage wise, it's very less, but it's there.
less. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Because I remember the last year they used to drill more in this area, risk and procurement, and people suffer a lot. Okay, that's that's
Over here,
that's a
I would say they are more concentrating on people management.
people. All right, there's more interest on
Yeah,
people. Very good,
it
very good.
it's the way you handle the people just to ensure that yes, you get the work done.
Right, right. So yeah, person is so good in stakeholder, resource management, communication, and people in scope, people in cost, people in budget. So the person is so much aligned with the people can better handle the exam.
Correct.
That's a good thought. That's a good thought. Great. That's a good inputs. Really, really like it. Are you sure when you click the last submit button, the result is going to be congratulations?
To be frank, I just closed my eyes.
You clicked you.
Yes, I clicked and I just closed my eyes. I just waited for, I would say, a few seconds. I did
Uh-huh.
not want to open because I don't know what is there on the screen. So yeah, but I opened it and yes, it was congratulations. So I don't know. I was not able to react over there. Neither I was able to laugh. Neither I was able to cry.
Uh-huh.
The person outside came in. He said, "Sir, your exam is done and you have cleared the exam." The first
Uh-huh.
word that came into my mouth, oh, I said thank you to that guy, because when I entered that exam room, he said, "Sir, don't worry, you're going to clear the exam."
Wow. Oh, that's true, man. We have good guys there, huh?
Yeah.
Right.
So yeah, I really thanked him and I said, yes, as you said, I have cleared the exam. So all
Nice.
everything is good now.
Nice. Nice. That's good. That's good.
Yeah,
I know
that
it's a
was a,
little.
yeah. Sorry, good.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
No, that was a great experience for me, because I was, I would say, as I said, like a bit confused, or I was hesitant to appear the exam or not, but at last I appeared and finally I cleared it in my first attempt. So that was a big achievement for me, and I was really way out of, I would say,
Yeah.
I was really
That,
very happy over there.
that's true, man. That's true. See, whatever it is, when you click that button, it says congratulations, something you won. That joy is really
Yeah,
something great. Something great.
it's
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 pretty
it's a
hard to
great sense
express
of
in words.
achievement.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's what I was not able to react immediately after seeing that congratulations screen. I was a bit
Uh-huh.
silent over there. And when that person came in, I immediately bursted out, "Thank you, sir." the second the
Or
second call the second call I
yeah,
made it to you, Sriram. Like yeah, I really
great.
wanted to thank you, because you boosted us, you boost me, okay? And whenever needed, I used to call you and you were always there to make me relax, calm, and again let me focus on my goal. So
Right.
congratulations, and thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
Great, great. The moment you clear it and somebody come and ask you it happen, you can be very casual. Yeah, I know this. It happens, man. Wow, this guy is so cool. Even though internally you feel that, outside you have to
Yes.
tell, hey, it's cool, man. This is nothing for me.
Yes.
Super good, super good. So, how much credit to your family?
I would like to give my credit to my son and my wife, because my son is over here. I'm
Hi.
sorry for that.
Oh, hey,
Say hi.
he's also in white color. What is this, man? Whole
Yeah.
family white color.
Say hi, Pratham.
Hey, hello, little manager, little leader there.
Good.
Good to see
So
you.
yeah, they help me a lot to ensure that no one disturbs me. Okay, whenever
Okay.
as I said, my office timing starts from 2:30, so
Mm-hmm.
they ensure that till 2:30 I have free time to go through
Okay.
my to do my studies and go through all the books. So they did
Nice.
not disturb me. So yeah,
That's
they
nice.
helped me a lot in that.
Sure, sure. The family support is very much needed. That too,
Yeah,
this exam needs little intense workout. We need somebody to support. Good,
yeah.
good, superb, superb. That's happy. And maybe last few notes, if you want to give something for the people who are preparing, what will be your thoughts? What will be your points?
So for the people who are preparing, I would say that follow whatever is been suggested, okay, in the class, because whenever we are going through the Shri learning sessions, okay, there are few important things that you take us through, you explain us in a manner even a layman can understand those things, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So it's pretty much simple, and I would say the the syllabus that you give, that on day one you need to go through these things, these lessons, okay,
Hmm.
that is helping us a lot, because student may not know, okay, what needs to be done, because there is a lot of big books, okay? So
Hmm.
they do not know like what all
Right,
things to go through, and
right.
y- y- that we are looking out for help over there, okay? And that time someone, if he is helping us out, that's really a great thing for us, because from going through the 1,000 pages, we get down to, okay, 100 pages or 200 pages, okay? And we get a confidence over there, yes, I can do that now, rather than
Right.
going to 1,000 pages and getting more confused. It's good for us to follow the guidelines given by you,
Perfect.
to ensure that we clear the exam.
Perfect. Perfect. That's really good. Valuable input or tips from you for the people to stay on track, right? Don't get deviated. Certain things I observed from you is books to read, follow Rita or Agile Practice Guide, referring PMBOK at times needed, and practicing exams and
Yeah.
free learning and the study hall. Scores can be up and down. Don't get demotivated. Keep working on. Focus on the weak area to improve. And even to center-based exam, of course, you are in the control of the exam, and you're so excited when you see the results, right? Those are the good things from you. Super good. Thanks, Srikanth, really, for coming up here and sharing this valuable input. I know it's nearly a month of time, but your memory power is really good. You remember the whole story of what happened.
Because
Right.
that's one of the achievement or the goal that was set, and we are not going to forget it lifetime. So
Yeah.
yeah,
Right. Right.
that is one of the milestone that I was able to achieve, and yeah, thanks
Right.
to you. Because of
Right.
you, it boosted me or gave me the confidence that yes, I can do
Great.
that.
Great. I know the success story you keep going to tell to your son for a long time, and he's going to get bored.
Yeah.
Dad, please.
He has seen me, okay, because since his birth, we were away from the books, we never used to study.
Right.
But when it
Right.
came to this exam, he saw me and he asked me the questions, okay, Dad, why are you doing this? Do you, like, you're not in the school, you're not going to school? I said,
Uh-huh.
yes, I'm not going to school, but to achieve something in my career, I need to give this exam, and for that I need to study. He said,
Mhm,
okay,
mhm.
but I haven't seen you studying.
Uh-huh.
I said, yes, that's correct, but now I need to.
That's quite
Yeah.
interesting. That's quite, I think that's the inspiration, right? For him at that age, when he sees his parents doing something worth, he get inspired. Okay, I have to focus. I think the last 2 3 months you may not use mobile, you may not be television,
No, no.
right?
Entire thing was outside my room. I have given my mobile to my wife, and yes, there was no, I would say no television in my room, nothing. Just the laptop, myself, and the printouts.
Right, right, right. He would have seen, Dad, what happened? This guy's in prison.
Like every time he used to come and ask me as the question, as I said, Daddy, you're not going out. Every day you are going out. You used to do these things. You used to go in the morning, do the exercise. I said, yes, but now I need to concentrate on my studies. I hardly
Right,
have any time left. So yeah, he learned
right.
those things, and he got the message that yes,
Mm,
there is something that needs to be achieved. And slowly and gradually, even he stopped disturbing me. Okay,
mm.
and he gave me the I would say again the confidence. Yes, Dad, you can do it. Go ahead.
Correct. That's really good. Super good. Super. I'm so inspired with you and your way of moving forward. Great. Keep achieving more. And I want to see you keep growing higher in your life because there's a good amount of dedication I can see from your side. So, good wishes for a grand success. Keep winning more.
Thank you, Shriram. Thank you, and thank you, Rahul, also.
Okay. Great. That's good.